Hello, little veggie explorers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of vegetables. Get ready for a journey filled with colours, tastes, and lots of fun. Tomato. Our first veggie friend is the vibrant red tomato. Look at its bright colour. Tomatoes are not just delicious. They're packed with vitamins that keep us healthy. Onion. Next up, we have the onion. Onions come in different colours, white, red and yellow. They add a special flavour to our meals and make them oh so tasty. Potato. Meet the versatile potato. Potatoes are brown and can be turned into so many yummy dishes. They give us energy and keep us strong. Carrot. Look at this cheerful orange carrot. Carrots are not just crunchy and sweet. They're like little magic wands, giving us the power of good eyesight. Beetroot. Now, let's explore the deep red beetroot. Beetroots are not only tasty, but also full of antioxidants that make us super strong and healthy. Ginger and garlic. Say hello to ginger and garlic. These two buddies add amazing flavours to our food and help us stay healthy and strong. Cauliflower and cabbage. Time to meet cauliflower and cabbage. These veggies come in white and green purple. They're not just delicious, they're loaded with nutrients that our bodies love. Radish. Look at this cute little radish. Radishes add a peppery taste to salads and bring a burst of colour. They're a great choice for staying healthy. Beans and peas. Let's hop over to beans and peas. These green goodies are full of protein and fibre. They help us grow big and strong. Brinjal. Say hello to the friendly brinjal. With its purple colour and mild taste, brinjal is a fantastic veggie that can be cooked in many tasty ways. Red chilli and green chilli. Meet red chilli and green chilli. These spicy pals add a kick to our meals. Just a little bit, and they can make our food exciting. Mushroom. Check out this adorable mushroom. Mushrooms are not just cute, they're also packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy choice. Broccoli and lettuce. Say hello to broccoli and lettuce. These green champs are not just colourful, they're loaded with nutrients that keep us strong and healthy. Pumpkin. Look at this smiling pumpkin. Pumpkins are not just for Halloween, they're super tasty and rich in beta-carotene, which is excellent for our eyes. Lady's finger. And finally, we have the graceful lady's finger. With its green colour and mild taste, lady's finger is a fantastic addition to our meals. Wow, what a fantastic veggie adventure! We've explored the colours, tastes and benefits of so many amazing vegetables. Remember, each veggie is like a superhero, giving us the power to grow, stay healthy and be strong. Thanks for joining us on this Veggie Fun Explorers journey. Don't forget to eat your veggies and have a colourful, healthy day. Until next time, happy veggie adventures.